Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to save a TikTok video as a live photo, and it's real simple to do. You're just going to go to TikTok videos, you're going to choose a video which you want to save, and you're just going to click on arrow button, which is a share button actually, and after that you're just going to scroll down right here and you can see a live photo button. You're just gonna click on live photo button and it's just gonna save this video as a live photo. Now we're gonna go to my photos, and here you can see this is saved as a live photo. I'm just holding this video so I can show you, so this is it, guys. That's how you can save a TikTok video as a live photo to your phone. And if this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe, and take care. Bye.